The average tax refund is $3,000. Most people leave another $500, $2,000 on the table by missing these deductions. Home office deduction. If you work from home any portion of year. Student loan interest, up to $2,500 deductible even if parents paid. Charitable donations, cash and items donated to Goodwill. Traditional IRA contribution reduces taxable income dollar for dollar. HSA contributions are triple tax-free. Contribute, grow, withdraw tax-free for medical. $7,000 IRA plus $3,850 HSA equals $10,850 of income that's never taxed. Bunch deductions in 1 year to exceed standard deduction. Sell losing investments before December 31st to offset capital gains. Defer income to January if you expect lower taxes next year. Don't aim for a big refund. It means you overpaid all year. Adjust W for withholding so you get nearly $0 refund. Invest that monthly difference instead of giving IRS an interest-free loan. Get my tax prep checklist at https://fundbiz.gumroad.com. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.